What is up, guys? Resto here with another vlog. I haven't used that intro in a while. Well, it's because I have an intro that I made now. But anyway, before I forget, December 1st, Andrew, Gearhead drummer, will be coming up from Detroit to Bay City to hang out with me for a weekend. So make sure you go check out his channel. If you like my channel, he does the same exact stuff. He's got a Ford F-150 that he's working on right now, and he does a lot of different installs and stuff like that with other people and drifting rides and all that kind of stuff. He got a great channel, great content. We're gonna be making a bunch of good content on December 1st. And the next day we're probably gonna go go-kart racing and do stuff with the beater and do installs of his truck, and he might do a review on my truck, and we're gonna do a bunch of different things. So make sure you guys are watching for that after December 1st. My channel and his, Gearhead Drummer, I will link it. It is linked in the bio down below. So go check that out. This video is not as filled with what I wanted it to be as what you might be thinking. When I went up there, when I went up to work on the car this past weekend, it got cut short, not for a bad reason, but Jalen's sister was coming to town for Thanksgiving, and we had to go pick her up in Illinois. And we thought it was gonna be a different day, and as I got up there, basically like a half hour into it, I got a call that, hey, we're going to Illinois right now, are you going with us? So basically I finished doing a little bit to the car and then called her a night. So it's kind of just a little update, really. I need to go back up there, and the next time I go up there, the plan is to separate the motor and trans, bring the trans home, have the motor on a stand, and start the tear down. Speaking of stand, here is an engine stand I ordered, which UPS literally obliterated this box. I was gonna go to Harbor Freight and buy one, because they had a 2,000 pound one there for like 130 bucks. And then I realized I had 120 bucks on Amazon for gift cards for my birthday I haven't used yet for an Impact. But I don't do anything here right now because I got nothing to work on except the truck, and the truck doesn't need much. So I don't need an Impact, so I figured, hey, why not use this? So I bought the best one I could find for the money with the best reviews was a 1,500 pound one, which should be fine. It was 100 bucks. And I haven't opened it yet because I'm not gonna open it until I go up to Andy's. But it is in there, so I did get that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I tried to make a video for you guys, and I don't want to leave anything out. And I said in the video about the tires that I was going up to Andy's, so I know everyone's probably expecting a video. So pretty much an update. I got an engine stand. Next time I go up there, I'm gonna be taking it up there. The other thing is when I went up there on a Saturday, and I was hoping the engine stand would get there on Friday. It didn't. So then I had to wait till Monday, so I couldn't really do much anyways, but I still wanted to get more than what I did. So here is the footage of what I got. Hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry it's not very much, like it's not much at all. I just basically pull the engine harness off, and that's kind of about it. Then I take the valve covers off to check the condition of the motor, see what kind of condition it was in. So you'll see about that. And here is the footage of what happened with the show this weekend. What's up, guys? Literally less than 10 seconds ago, I just got done filming the other video for the tires. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Got new tires for the Ram. They look amazing, and I'm really excited to keep them on and see how they do in the winter. Right now we are on the way up to Andy's to go. We're gonna see what we can do to the motor. Whoa, when did you get that? All right, so of course, here we are again. I'm going to figure out what I want to do first. I'm gonna work on getting the harness all pulled off, and see if he brought home a socket to be able to get this off as well. So we'll see. All right, so I've been starting to get the harness off. I got a lot of it off, but I need to, in order to like really get at these injectors pretty well, I'm just gonna start taking the intake off anyways. That's kind of one of the last things that's holding me back is the injectors, and then stuff back here, and I gotta finish up a couple plugs down there. But I'm gonna try and take that intake off. the most annoying intake to take off. That's how many bolts you need, just for the freaking intake. And you gotta take it off in steps. And we're technically not even done yet. We gotta take this off, which ain't no hard, but kind of annoying. So I kind of haven't picked up the camera in a second here. I've almost got the harness off. Pretty much everything I need to get off is off except for, well actually technically it's all off, but I've got to get the wiring harness through here somehow. I guess I'm just gonna start tearing that stuff apart. And once the harness is off, these control arms I'm just gonna torch off. I'm not trying to take those off right now. And then I don't know, I might start digging into the valve covers so that I can see how this motor has been. I've never taken a valve cover off this motor yet. I'm assuming since it's got over 80,000 miles that the cams have been welded, because if they haven't, I guarantee you it wouldn't have made it to 80,000 miles. And not only that, I just want to see how the oil looks, how the cams look, see if it's been taken care of nicely. Not that it's really gonna matter, but that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna try and finish getting this wiring harness off, and then we'll go from there. So I'm struggling pretty hard right now, but I'm getting it. There we are, boys. Harness is off. Cleaned up that whole motor. Well, I'm glad that's over. The most annoying part was getting these freaking brackets out of the way. Well, I'm probably gonna clean up all this crap, get everything sorted. Then I gotta leave pretty soon already here. But I am going to, once I get everything cleaned up, see how much time I got left. I also got a bunch of ATF that I don't know where the heck that came from. Once I get all this taken care of, everything sorted out, I'll see what little more time I have to do with maybe taking a valve cover off, seeing what the engine looks like. So let's get going on that. All right, so I got it cleaned up for the most part, got everything situated. So now that I'm waiting, I still got about a half hour. I'm gonna go ahead and take this valve cover off and see what it looks like. I don't even see that the cams were welded. So that kind of worries me. It's definitely not as clean as my car's. I mean, stuff looks okay, but it's just very more sludgy looking than my car's was. There's the welds that on the cams that everybody says when you get a 98, when you get a third generation show with this V8, you need to weld your cams because you have major cam failure. All right, unfortunately this wasn't a very long processed video of doing stuff. All this crap's coming off, just gotta basically torch the control arm, so that's all done. Harness is off, this side as well. Check the stuff. Pretty much I have to wait until I can do this with Andy. I'll be honest, I've never really separated a motor and trans and from the cradle when it's out and stuff, so I kind of want two people to help, or a person to help, and for two people to like pick it up with a cherry picker, you know, disconnect it from the subframe, then take the trans off, then put the motor on the stand, all this, you know, all that stuff. So I mean, I know I got to get a bunch of all this, the rest of this crap off. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said in the beginning of this video, sorry it was so short with information. But that's all I have for now with the show, unfortunately. I do have one more video after this, me teaching somebody how to drive stick, and it was a pretty fun, entertaining, and kind of went wrong video. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.